Good morning. I'm Axel, your personal testing companion. I'm here to monitor you through the testing course so that your experience is fully recorded to be examined in the future. Before we start, it's important to understand that testing will be very dangerous, and I can't interfere with your testing experience to prevent any injuries or possible fatalities. Now that we've gotten the introduction out of the way, the testing will begin now. Tunnels can be pretty hard to latch onto, but you'll get the hang of it. Yes! Level 0. This first test should be very simple. You'll figure. Yay! I knew you'd be able to do it! Most subjects experience overexhaustion from testing as hard as you just did, so here we have one of many rest areas designed for your health. Feel free to take a nap or something. I won't want it. Another test done. I'm sure you're very excited to finish them all. You'll love what we have for you afterwards. You may have already noticed the Ecliptic Industries short-distance tunneling device. It's required to continue on to the next tests. Most subjects may fear the Ecliptic tunneling device. However, it is completely safe, as long as you use it. You did it! Tunnels can be really cool, but it's important that you understand the safety guidelines that come with it. I'll read them as we continue on to the rest of the test. Rule 1. You cannot place tunnels on metallic surfaces. Metals tend to repel tunnel technology. Rule 2. Not really a rule, but you shouldn't worry about falling from high altitudes. The weird things on your legs take up all the shock. Rule 3. Do not strain your arms. The device has a big kickback when you fire, so you don't want to break any bones, or deal with insurance. Rule 4. Do not touch the barrel of the gun or stick any fingers or any limbs into it. Rule 5. Do not compare the Ecliptic tunneling device with the Aperture Science handheld portal device. They are different. New level! Don't be intimidated by the size of the room. Velocity, or speed, is constant between two tunnels. For example, if your pencil happened to roll off your desk into a tunnel on the floor while your other tunnel was on a wall, it would fly out of it. Objects you may be carrying with the device will also retain their speed along with you. I should probably mention, if you're scared of heights, try not to hit yourself in the head from twirling your arms. Brain-dead subjects cannot test. We've tried it before. Hooray! You completed this chamber without any guidance. According to numerous psychological studies, this indicates that you are one of 5 out of 6 humans who have cognitive and analytical skills. I should warn you, as beautiful as the energy projectile may look, do not reach out to touch it. Seriously, it will kill you. Maybe you should tell them to make these chambers harder. After all, you're practically flying straight through them.
Welcome to level 4.
You've been solving these chambers at a superior rate. That's a compliment. Anyways, to continue testing, you'll need to trade your tunneling device with a modified one in the middle of the room. Please, continue. Congratulations! This modified version of the device gives you the ability to place both tunnels. As fun, yet extremely deadly as this may be, please remember our motto. If your life is on the line, it's safety guideline time. That's not an official motto. I just made it up, but you get the idea.
Welcome to level 5.
I'd love to hear your thoughts on these tests. Maybe you'll want to do the post-testing interview after all this? Here's an interesting fact. I don't really have a reason to blink. The engineers kind of just added it, so I can connect better with the test subjects. Also, maybe to discourage test subjects from shooting the conference device. You know what? You're the only test subject I've met so far, but you sure are a great one.
Welcome to level 7.
Before you enter this next test, I need to explain a few things. Not only is this next test very dangerous, I won't be able to come with you either, so you'll be on your own. I'm really hoping to see you after the test. Good luck. Oh wait! Watch out for
Welcome to level 8.
you're okay. 74% of test subjects have been unable to... Anyways, if you're hurt, medical equipment is here for you to use. Alright, let's continue.
9.
Look out! These next two chambers test you on everything you've learned so far. Don't worry, you can do it. Careful! Great job! Only one more to go. Maybe there's power maintenance today. It's okay, we'll just wait a bit. See? What did I say?